Imagine waking up in the year 2035. Your alarm is set by an AI that understands your ideal sleep patterns. You enter your workspace, but hold on, there's no traditional office. The job landscape has completely evolved. Are you prepared to explore the careers that will shape the next decade? Welcome to FutureAI, where we delve into the astonishing possibilities of the future. 1. AI-enhanced healthcare professionals. By 2035, AI won't replace doctors, it will elevate their capabilities. Picture surgeons utilizing augmented reality for incredibly precise operations or AI medical advisors forecasting illnesses before any symptoms arise. The need for AI-enhanced healthcare professionals will be enormous. 2. Space travel guides. With pioneers like SpaceX and Blue Origin breaking new ground, space tourism is set to become a multi-billion-dollar industry. Trained guides will assist travelers in experiencing weightlessness, exploring lunar resorts, and perhaps even taking a stroll on Mars. 3. AI-driven fitness coaches. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all workout routines. Future fitness coaches will be powered by AI, monitoring your biometrics in real time and crafting exercise plans tailored to your unique genetics. Imagine having a coach who understands your body inside and out. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? 4. Cybersecurity experts for AI and quantum tech. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. AI-driven cyber attacks will become more prevalent, making cybersecurity one of the most lucrative fields. Specialists will protect AI systems, quantum networks, and personal information from next-gen hackers. 5. AI therapists and digital wellness coaches. As AI becomes increasingly human-like, people will form emotional bonds with digital assistants. AI therapists will help maintain our mental health in this interconnected world. Think of them as counselors for both humans and AI. 6. Engineers for sustainable technology. With climate change becoming more urgent, the world will require engineers who create sustainable innovations. From AI-driven vertical farms to energy-efficient smart cities, the future will hinge on the expertise of green technology specialists. 7. Virtual reality architects. The metaverse is set to revolutionize entertainment, work, and education. VR architects will create captivating digital environments for businesses, gaming, and therapeutic purposes. Picture yourself collaborating in a virtual skyscraper right from your own home. 8. Robot ethicists and AI compliance officers. What occurs when AI surpasses human intelligence? Who establishes the guidelines? This is where AI compliance officers come into play. These experts will oversee AI's societal interactions, ensuring that robots adhere to ethical standards. 9. Genetic modification specialists. Envision a future where genetic disorders are eliminated before a child is born. Genetic modification specialists will harness CRISPR technology to improve human health and even tailor specific traits. While the ethical implications are complex, the potential is limitless. 10. Drone traffic controllers. With millions of drones expected to fill the skies by 2035, we will require experts to manage aerial traffic. Drone traffic controllers will oversee deliveries, flying taxis, and emergency services to avoid mid-air accidents. The future of employment isn't about AI replacing us, it's about collaborating with it. Which of these exciting careers captures your interest the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe for more insights into the future.